Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Amreen Akhtar Tania, teacher of Milestone School and College English Medium Junior Section, Sector 7. My dear students, I am welcoming you all in my video class. I hope you all will enjoy my class and you will learn so many things. My dear students, how are you? You don't know what to say? Okay, I am telling you. When anyone asks you, how are you? Then you will answer, I am fine, thank you. What you will say? You will say, I am fine, thank you. Then you will also ask, how are you? Okay, like this way we can greet with each other. This is called good manners. Students, today I will take your English class. This is my first English class with you. So, in our English class, what we learn? In our English class, we learn alphabets and objects name. Okay. Before starting today's topic, at first I will recite ABC rhyme. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, X, Y, Z. Oh dear miss, when shall I learn my ABC? Thank you. Students, now I want to go somewhere. Would you like to go with me? Okay, so let's go and have some fun. Students, where we are? We are in the jungle. In the jungle, what can we see? Okay, let's go forward and see what is here. Okay. Oh, lots of animals are there. Animals are very dangerous, right? They are very dangerous. So I will not go that side. I will go another side of the jungle. In this side, I can see lots of trees. What is the name of this tree? Here we can see so many apples in the tree, right? So it's an apple tree. Look, one apple is falling down. I am going to catch it. Yes. So, student, it's an apple. It's an apple. Okay, I will eat this apple later on, okay? Okay, students, now I'll go forward to see something else. Students, what is it? Can you say what is it? This is an axe. What can we do with axe? We can cut the tree with axe. Then, what are these? These are ants. These are ants. They are going from this side to that side, right? There so many ants are here. Okay. Students, can you hear a sound? What is it? Oh, it's an aeroplane. It's an aeroplane. So, students, we have seen so many things here, right? So, what we have seen, can you tell? Animals, apple, eggs, then ant, then aeroplane. Okay, students, so let's go back to our classroom. Students, have you enjoyed in the jungle? So, in the jungle, I have said some objects name or some things name, right? So, can you tell me that things or objects name? Try to say. Okay, say with me. Animals, apples, then ant, aeroplane, eggs. So, animals, apples, ant, aeroplane, eggs. Here we are getting same sound, right? In the beginning here we are getting same sound like a, like this, right? So, what is a? A is the phonic sound of a letter. Yes, students. Today we will learn the letter which phonic sound is A. Which sound is A. Today we will learn the letter A. Today we will learn the letter A. See, this is the letter A. This is the first letter of our English alphabet. Okay, this is the first letter of our English alphabet. This is the letter A. This is the letter A. Okay, A phonic sound is A. A phonic sound is A. So students, our today's topic is write by yourself A. Write by yourself A. That means in our last class you already learned how to write A over the dot, right? And today you will learn write by yourself A. Okay? So students, this is A, right? You already know this is the letter A. And this is lowercase letter A. This is small letter A or lowercase letter A. And this is capital letter A. This is capital letter A. Okay, this is capital letter A. This is small letter A. This is lowercase letter A. This is uppercase letter A. Okay. So, A phonic sound is, you already know A phonic sound is A. A phonic sound is A. So, A for what? Can you say any object's name? We already learned in the jungle, right? A what? Can you say A aeroplane. This is aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A aeroplane. See, it can fly in the sky. Have you seen aeroplane flying in the sky? Okay, see, it has two wings, right? It can fly like a bird. We can go anywhere by aeroplane, okay? It's a vehicle. Okay, now you tell me any other thing's name that is with the letter A. Can you say, students? Can you say? Okay, I am helping you, okay? What is it? This is apple. This is apple. 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 Apple is a fruit. Apple is a fruit. Apple can be different colors. It can be red. It can be green. Right? We should eat at least one apple in a day. Okay. So, students, tell me any other object's name with the letter A. A what? A ant. A ant. Ant is an insect. It also can be different colors like red, black, brown, like this. Okay. I have another one ant. See. This is red color ant. This is black color ant. See. It has how many legs? See everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 legs. It has 6 legs. So, A for any other thing's name, can you say? X. X. X is a tool. Woodcutter use X to cut the tree. Okay. So, students, we already learned so many things name with the letter A, right? A apple, A ant, A X, A aeroplane, A animals, right? We learn In the jungle, the object's name animals, right? We have seen so many animals there, right? Animals, and A for arm also. This is our arm. Show me your arm, everybody. A for arm. Okay, so students, today we will learn how to write the letter A, right? Write by yourself letter A. Write by yourself letter A. So, how can we write the letter A? To write the letter A, what we need? Look here. To write the letter A, we need two symbols, okay? One is circle. One is circle and another symbol is standing stick. Small standing stick. Okay. So, how can we write A? Circle. Then standing stick. Can you see? Students, now look at the board. Students, look at the board. See what I have drawn? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines, right? I have drawn 4 lines. In our English copy, there are 4 lines and 1, 2, 3. 3 rows, okay? So, we have to write the letter in these 4 lines, okay? So, where we will write the letter A? This line, this line, this line or this line? Which line or which row? This row or this row? Which row? How can we write the letter A? Okay, don't worry, Miss is telling you. Our English letters are 3 types. One is tall letter, another one is short letter and another one is hanging letter, okay? One is tall letter, another one is short letter and another one is hanging letter. So, A is a short letter. A is a short letter and we will write short letter in the middle row. So, we will write short letter in the middle row. What we will do at first? At first, I will draw circle. Then, small standing stick. This is letter A. This is letter A. I will draw circle, then standing stick. Again, I am showing circle in the middle row, right? Then standing stick. Okay. So, where I have started from second line, right? This is first line, then this is second line, this is third line, this is fourth line, right? You already know. So, I will start from second line and you have to touch the line also, okay? Circle, I will go down, then I will touch the third line, then I will go up again, okay? Then I will draw a small standing stick. I will start from second line, then I will go down and touch the third line. Okay, like this way we can write the letter A. Okay, I am showing again, everybody please look. Circle, I am touching the line, right? Like this way, you will draw a nice circle, then standing stick, okay? See again. So, I have have drawn the lines again. You look very carefully, okay? Look, I am drawing circle, then standing stick, right? So is it okay? Is it okay? No, this is not okay. I have drawn circle and standing stick also, but this is not correct. This is wrong because here standing stick is this side and look, I did not maintain the line, right? I did not maintain the line, right? So this is not correct. How I will write? I will write like this. Look very carefully. From this is first line and this is second line, right? So I will start from second line, then I will go down, touch the third line, then go up and join, right? Now it looks like a nice circle, right? I didn't go under the line, right? Okay, now I will draw standing stick. Like this way I will touch, right? You will have to touch the circle, okay? You have to touch the circle. Again Miss is showing circle, then standing stick. Is it okay? See, I have drawn circle and standing stick also, but is it okay? No, this is also wrong because I didn't touch the circle. Then look, circle, standing stick. Is it okay? No, this is also not okay because I didn't touch the line. So how you will write? You will start from second line, then go down and touch the third line, then go up like this. Then standing stick, small standing stick. This is A. This is A. We will write the letter A like this way, okay? These are correct and this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. You should not write like this way, okay students? So, what is our today's classwork? I am showing you, okay? Look, this is your book, okay? This is your English book. In this book, we will do our classwork, okay? CW, classwork. This book's name is Lowercase Alphabet. This book's name is Lowercase Alphabet for Playgroup. You are playgroup students, so you will write in this book, okay? See, this is so nice book, right? What is the color of this book? Green color, right? And here what can we see? We can see some animals, right? We can see some animals. So what for animals? Can you say animals? So which letter sound is A? Yes, letter A. Animals, right? Okay students, so today we will do our classwork in the page 5. In page 5, we will do our classwork, okay? So, this is our classwork, right? So, this is page number 5, right? This is page number 5. So, what can we see here? Here we can see some animals, right? So, what for animals? Animals. Animals. And students, look here. Here you can you see here some dots? Here Miss has given some dots, right? So you will write the letter A here, okay? Like this, so you will finish the page. You will complete your writing and see here is an apple and here is a dot. So you will write here the letter A and it will become apple. And here is ant. Here is ant and here is a dot, right? So you will write the letter A and it will become ant, okay? So students, this is your classwork. You will write in page number 5, okay? I think you all can do it. So, what we have learned today? Today we have learned the letter A. Today we have learned the letter A. We have learned the small letter A. This is called small letter. We have seen the capital letter A also, right? Okay, then A phonic sound is A. A phonic sound is A. A for animals. A apple. A ant. A X. A aeroplane. Okay. Then A is a short letter. A is a short letter. A will sit in the middle, right? A is a tall letter or short letter? Can you say? Yes, short letter. What is the phonic sound of the letter A? A. Very good. Then A for? Wow, excellent. A for aeroplane, A for animals, A for apples, A for eggs, A for arm. So many things, right? So, do your classwork in your book and write A in your homework copy also. Okay, students? So, no more today. Allah Hafiz. Bye-bye.